Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to clear cookies in Safari on Mac. So first of all, let's navigate and open the Safari browser on your Mac. Once Safari is open, move to the top left corner and click on Safari from the menu bar. From this drop-down menu, click on Settings. A new settings panel will appear on your screen. Go ahead and open the Privacy section in this panel. Inside the Privacy section, look for the option called Manage Website Data and click on it. Now you will see a list of all websites that have stored cookies and other data in Safari. You can remove cookies from a specific website, or if you want to clear all cookies at once, click on Remove All at the bottom. A pop-up will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to remove all data stored by the displayed websites on your computer?" Click on Remove Now. This will clear cookies and website data, which can help fix loading issues, sign-in problems, or free up some browser storage. Now let's go to the Advanced section and here find Block All Cookies. Once you find it, check the box to enable it. And from now on, cookies will not be saved in your Safari web browser, and that's it. This is how you can clear cookies in Safari on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.